Since independence, India has faced multiple terrorist attacks which have been retaliated with the same force and precision as they were attempted at our civilians. A few of these tragic attacks have been the IC-814 hijacking in 1999, the Parliament attack in 2001, the Akshardham Temple attack in 2002, the Delhi serial blasts in 2005, and the horrifying 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks in 2008. In the aftermath of 2008 Mumbai attacks, there was a pressing need for a central agency to combat terrorism. And on 31st December 2008, the National Investigation Agency (NIA) was established. Today, the NIA stands as India's premier counter-terrorism law enforcement agency, relentless, focused, and unwavering in its mission to protect the nation. With the formation of the National Investigation Agency, India signaled a turning point where passive endurance made way for active resistance. This is New India, bold, unafraid, prepared. To any force that dares to threaten its people, New India responds with strength, clarity, and uncompromising retaliation. In 2016, after 19 Indian soldiers were martyred in the Uri attack, the Indian Army responded with surgical strikes across the line of control, targeting and neutralizing multiple terrorist launch pads in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. On 14th February 2019, after a cowardly suicide bomber killed 40 CRPF personnel in Pulwama, India answered with strength. On 26 February, the Indian Air Force carried out precision airstrikes on a Jaish-e-Mohammed training camp in Balakot, Pakistan. And then came April 22, 2025. Terror struck again in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, where innocent civilians and tourists were targeted in a barbaric attack that shocked the world. In response to this, India launched Operation Sindoor. Without crossing the line of control or international boundary, Indian armed forces struck terrorist infrastructure and eliminated multiple threats. And all again, the world witnessed India's non-tolerance to terrorism. Terrorists may plan in silence, but New India responds loud and clear.
भारत का मत एकदम स्पष्ट है। टेरर और टॉप एक साथ नहीं हो सकते। टेरर और ट्रेड एक साथ नहीं चल सकते। और पानी और खून भी एक साथ नहीं बह सकता। भारत की ओर नजर उठाने का एक ही अंजाम होगा, तबाही।